Hello guys, this is a quick review on this ORei HDMI splitter. I've been using this for some time and this is my honest review about the product that works. Okay, so here you have the HDMI input and you have a connection to power. So just power it up here, connect your cable, and you have output number 1 and number 2 and LED to indicate that's working, and it works pretty well. It doesn't heat. So I like devices that are professional and doesn't hit like this one, for example. It's pretty good and I trust this brand. I've been using this here in my lab and works pretty fine. As you can see, I have another one here. It is good. That's why I have more than one, and this one I've been using for some time as well, and I'm using it right now. So as you can see here is the cable is connected here to the HDMI inputs. I have power, I have the LEDs here. As you can see, the LEDs are on to indicate that I have connection to 2 monitors, and I'm splitting the monitor. So I can send this to the recorder, and this other one here I can send to my screen. That's the way I can record everything I'm doing, because I can split and see what I'm recording at the same time. Okay, so it's pretty good from ORei. I got it from Amazon. I like it. Go get yours because I recommend it.